morning all. I am Yana Sambandam, Chief Executive Officer of the Technology Business Incubator of TNA Coimbatore. Happy to meet you all. So I am here to explain you the activities of the Technology Business Incubator of TNA Coimbatore. So the TNAU TBI was established in the year 2011 with the support of the Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. So we got a grant of about 2.5 crores to establish this TBI. And this TBI is functioning as a separate entity in the name of Agribusiness Incubation Society. And the major objectives of the TBI is to handhold the agripreneurs. So an individual who is coming up with an idea can be guided to convert his idea into a product, and already existing ideas can be also supported in the way of validation, certification, and we can also guide them for packaging and for getting a fund from the Nationalized Bank and other government agencies like NABARD, District Industry Center, MSME, and so on. And finally, we can help them on creating a marketing network also. So our support will be a wholesome support offered from the TBI. And in addition to this, we are also offering an in-house office space for our incubators within TBI. Almost about 20 of our members are already having an office in the TBI. And this facility is available for them for bringing in their clients and discussing in the office, which will help them for promoting their business. In addition to this, we are having a permanent exhibition hall facility where about 50 to 60 of our incubating products are kept showcased there, and it is open for all the VIP visitors of TNAU, students from TNAU, students from other colleges, faculties from TNAU, and faculties from other institutions, and even faculties from abroad. And in addition to this, we have created a food packaging facility where about 15 packaging units are there, where the incubator can bring in their finished product and he can take it after packing from the laboratory. So also we are extending a support on the testing and validation of our incubating product within TNA laboratories. There are 2 laboratories within TNAU which are NABL accredited. One is the Post-Harvest Technology Center of TNAU, which can test the packaged foods, processed foods, and another one is the Toxicology Laboratory, which can test the toxic level in the food. And we are offering a 33% concession on testing in both these laboratories. In addition to this, we are having 2 laboratories, NABL laboratories, which are all our incubating laboratories. So there again testing also can be done. So as on date, we are having about 380 startups registered as members in TBI, supposed to be the largest agribusiness incubator pan-India. And among the 380, most of the entrepreneurs are working on the food processing side. They are also working on manufacturing of farm implements, tools, and making of food processing equipments. They are also working on the seed production. They are working on the production of bio inputs like your bio fertilizers, bio pesticides, growth promoters, and people are also working on conversion of the farm waste into wealth. For example, we can say the banana fiber products, which are a major waste thrown out after the harvest of the banana bunch. So this can be converted into useful products, and it is having a very good export market also. So people are also working on the coconut coir waste converted into a lot of useful products, and jute products are also there, and all these products are being supported through TBI. So in addition to this, from 2019 onwards, we are having an RKVY Raftar RABI program. So this is a program supported by the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, New Delhi, and TBI TNAU is one among the 27 centers selected across the country. So TBI TNAU is the only center for Tamil Nadu state for conducting this program. And in this program, two trainings are being offered. One is the Agripreneurship Orientation Program and another one is the Startup Agri-Business Incubation Program. So for this AOP, this Agripreneurship Orientation Program, already 2 batches have been successfully conducted for both AOP and SIP. And for the first batch, about 1.4 crores of the grant has been given from the ministry and it has been disbursed to our grantees and for their innovations, for further converting their idea to product and for scaling up of the product. And the second batch has also been successfully conducted during 2021 and the fund release is expected and anytime the grant will be released from the ministry. And we are going in for the successful conduct of the third cohort this financial year, and we have started conducting programs also. And the Agripreneurship Orientation Program cohort 3 call is open now, and graduates with innovative ideas can apply for this program, and you can very well go to our TBI website in the Google sites and the link for application is available there. And also we have put in various other social medias where you can start and apply for that. And also the link will be provided in this video itself as an add-on, and you can just see the flyer which has been released for this program and it is already published in various social media. And so this is the support being offered from the RKVY program, and I request each and everybody who are really interested as an individual with innovative ideas can apply for the Agripreneurship Orientation Program, that is the AOP program, and also startups who are already established their product in the market. For scale-up fund, they can apply for the Startup Agri-Business Incubation Program. So with this, I thank you for your time. I request everybody to apply for this program and get benefited. Thank you.